Good morning students, my name is Ajay Pal Singh. Today I am sharing with you experiment number 4 of electrical machine 2 lab. The name of experiment is to start and reverse the direction of 3-phase induction motor. For the experiment, let us consider an 3-phase induction motor. Star connected induction motor is used. There are various indicating instruments to measure the value of quantities like voltmeter, ammeter, and if you use voltmeter in the circuit, then it means you are going to measure the power in a circuit. So dual starter is used to start the motor. So let us proceed with the experiment. So first switch on the supply and observe the direction of 3-phase induction motor. So switch on the supply. Okay, so supply is switched on, then start the motor with the help of starter. Okay, so as it is seen, the direction of rotation is anti-clockwise. The motor is rotating anti-clockwise. So students are required to observe the direction of 3-phase induction motor. So observe the direction of 3-phase induction motor. So the direction of rotation of 3-phase induction motor is anti-clockwise in this case. Means you are consider the phase sequence, and according to the phase sequence you are consider the direction of rotation is anti-clockwise. So your next step is how to change the direction of rotation of 3-phase induction motor. So in order to change the direction of rotation of 3-phase induction motor, change the supply terminals. Okay, here first is R, second is Y, third one is B. Okay, so interchange any two terminals with each other so that the direction of rotation of 3-phase induction motor is reversed. So this is the result of experiment. This is the result of experiment to change the direction of 3-phase induction motor. Okay, change the supply terminals. Okay, first switch off the supply, then change the supply terminals. Okay, so interchange the supply terminal, then again switch on the supply. Supply is switched on. Okay, now students are required to observe the direction. In the previous case it is anti-clockwise. Now in this case the direction of rotation of 3-phase induction motor is anti-clockwise. So with the help of this technique, by changing the supply terminals, you can change the direction of rotation of 3-phase induction. Students are required to prepare 1-page report for the experiment. Thank you.